Hi guys, my name is Atul. Today I'm going to review this Nitrotech Rept. Okay, ultimate protein weight loss formula, and this is weight loss fat loss formula. So this really work best. This is chocolate fudge brownie, so always purchase this chocolate fudge brownie only over vanilla because this is the best, test best. So this contains 30 gram protein, 500 mg carnitine and tartarate, CLA 250 gram mg, sorry, 250 milligram. This is also 250 mg, and this is 200 mg Canva Robusta. So this is basically a coffee thing. Okay, so I generally take this post workout only, and then I keep 1 hour for fasting. So I if you take this after half an hour, you'll find yourself sugar craving, and because that fat loss will start after half an hour in your body, and your body will start craving for foods. So just you have to make sure you have to maintain that craving for at least half an hour or 1 hour. Just you have to control yourself. You will get a lots of sugar cravings, but you have to control on your guts, control on your taste. Food, don't have any food, just wait for it, and then after that you can go for protein soup, salad. Okay, so then because this will start working after a half an hour only, but generally they recommend this to take before this before what before your lunch and before your dinner. You have to take one scoop, but no need to take that because this is, I like the way this is like 44 gram. Okay, and 42 serving per container, and this cost in India around 4500 to 5000. So if you have money, then you can take 2 scoops per day before lunch and before dinner. Okay, because why before lunch and before dinner? Because after half an hour it will start working and it will start fat burning. So right now I am using after pre-workout only, and after that I keep myself hold for little bit, half an hour or 1 hour, and then I generally go for my soup, salad, and everything. So this gives me protein as well as this will help me for weight loss. So this is like lean muscle mass. This will help you for lean muscle mass. I'll recommend this for every overweight guys, so you can go for this for and but only one thing is that you won't be able to focus on your studies or work, maybe because of that sugar cravings. So I'll recommend you to take this when you can go for that cravings and all. You can handle that craving, otherwise in that craving you won't be able to work. Okay, so I'll recommend this product whenever you have and don't take this as a night because this has a caffeine in it little bit, so you won't be able to sleep properly. So take mostly in the morning, or and after morning if you take avoid food after 1 hour. Avoid any foods and avoid any work as well. If you don't have any relax, go just relax for 1 hour. You will have a sugar cravings, but after 1 hour start eating what, but proper food like protein. Most focus on protein, fibers, that's it, and vitamins and multivitamins you can take. So that's required. And even the leaf 52 and Punarnavadi. Leaf 52 is for liver. I'll make that I have Hindi video, but I'll make one English video for that. So leaf 52 is for liver, and this for Punarnavadi is for kidney. Why? Because this maybe harm your kidney in long term, not in the short term, because these are like a fat loss. This may pressure your kidney and liver function because you are burning of fats with this method. So this will boost fat burning, but maybe the side effect you'll see in longer time. So be safe because this contains some preservatives as well, but that's fine. Okay, that's, but this will really help you to lose your weight. Advanced 16 formula, you can check all these things on Amazon as well. So you can go through the videos as well as Amazon's review, and if you have any doubts, just ask me. So see here, it's all the direction is written. Okay, So 60 days you can, but you have to exercise as well. If you're not exercising, then at least have a walk after having this. After 30 minutes, once you feel cravings, you can have a walk, but just drink more water, because this is like a fat burning, so your heat will goes up in your body. So make sure you drink water, and this is the content. Okay, if you this is normal video I'm making, so if any comments, if any doubts, you can ask me, I'll give you a reply. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Comment. Bye.
So I'll give Nitrotech Ripped this a link in the description box. Amazon link that's for India, and now it's 6899, but it'll cost 4,500 in India. I think because of this Corona situations, maybe the price has gone up. Otherwise, it costs around 4,500 in India. 970 gram, and chocolate fudge brownie flavor is the best flavor that you can go for. Otherwise, instead of French vanilla, and you can check there are two flavors, and L carnate, L tartare, CLA, and there is Cana for a robusta is basically coffee only. Um, so caffeine helps to reduce weight. So this is the formula: ultra clean. So amino acid metabolite is L-carnitine, and weight loss formula is CLA. They are saying, and formulated. So this is a 200 mg's coffee only, and this is L-tartarate, and this detail given even, and the rating, I'll show you the rating is 3.9 out of 5. Okay, so if I press this top 5-star rating, that is 55%, that is 50% above. So just go for the this test, and yeah, this is the best one if you compare with other brand for weight loss, because you lose weight if you only on this protein twice a day. So because this will work, and this is a genuine product, it will help you to give lean muscle mass. Okay, and even if you're on keto, you can go for this, and this actually helps in weight loss. Okay, so this is the best product. There are some critical reviews, and there are some good reviews as well in India. But if you purchase from Cloudtel or something good, your supplier, then they'll give you the original product. See here, you can see it's a 4750 or 4500. This is actually the actual price of this Muscle Take Nitro, and I purchased this. I think I'm using this protein only for my post workout, or sometimes, because I didn't see any bloating after drinking this protein. So that's it. Thank you.